In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an account in Google Analytics. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so the process feels simple and predictable. Before we start, a quick note on access. You'll need the appropriate permissions on the account you want to remove. Also, make sure you're deleting the correct thing. In Google Analytics, an account sits at the top level, above properties and data streams. Deleting an account affects everything under it, so take a moment to confirm you've selected the right one. First, open your Google Analytics account in your web browser and sign in. If you manage multiple accounts, switch to the specific account you intend to delete. A good double check here is to look at the account name in the top navigation to avoid removing the wrong setup. Next, head to Admin Settings. You'll find this in the lower left corner of the Google Analytics interface, typically represented by a small gear icon. Click it to open the admin area. You'll see columns for account and property. Focus on the account column for this task, since we're dealing with the entire account, not just a property or stream. Now, click Account Details. Depending on the interface version you're using, this may also appear as Account Settings. This page holds options specific to the account layer, including its name, data sharing settings, and the controls for removal. Here's the key action. Locate the option labeled Move to Trash Can, or Bin. The wording can vary slightly by region or interface version, but it means the same thing. Click that option. You'll typically see a confirmation screen explaining that the account will be placed in the trash. Read the message carefully so you understand what's about to happen, then proceed to confirm. After you move the account to the trash or bin, it won't be immediately and permanently erased. Instead, it enters a holding period in the trash can, during which it's scheduled for deletion. During this time, data collection and access for that account and everything beneath it effectively stop. This design gives you a safety net in case the move was unintentional. To recap the flow you just followed, open your Google Analytics account, go to Admin Settings, select Account Details, and choose the option to move the account to trash, trash can, or bin. With those clicks, you've completed the deletion process as intended. Thanks for watching, and take care to review the account selection before you commit the change.